So again here we will discuss about chapter 3, that is amazing animals. So in the last video I have given you two questions. So did you try to find out the answers? Yes. So again we will discuss it here, okay? So what was the question? First one is, why are butterflies attracted to flowers? Okay, and the answer is, butterflies are attracted to flowers because of their bright colors and aroma. Got it? And the second question was, how do honeybees make honey? So here we will see how these honeybees make the honey. Okay, so the answer is, honeybee suck the nectar from flowers and collect it in a sac-like structure called the honey stomach. Okay, so let's see again what happened next. When the stomach is full, the bees return to the beehive and spit it out in the cells of the hive. Okay, and now let's see what happened after that. After a few days, this nectar thickens and changes into honey. Got it? Now let's see this. Turn your page to 24. Okay, honey collection. So we'll see here how this honey are collected. Okay, let's read this. Beekeeping is the maintenance of honeybee colonies in human-made hives to extract honey and beeswax. So what is beekeeping? It is the maintenance of honeybee colonies, okay, in a human-made hives. Okay, that means beehives. Okay, for what? For collecting or to extract honey and beeswax. Okay, we know what is honey and what is beeswax now. Yes, it is a sticky substance produced by the bees. Okay, a place where bees are kept is called an apiary. So where these bees are kept? Yes, they are kept in a apiary. Okay, this apiary is a place where these bees are kept. Got it, children? Yes. Honey extraction is a process in beekeeping in which honey is removed from the honeycombs and are collected in its pure liquid form. So what is honey extraction? Yes, it is a process, okay, in beekeeping where this honey is removed from the honeycombs, okay, and collect it in pure liquid form. Okay, yes. Honeybees protect their hives. Okay, honeybees protect their hives. Let's see how. Okay, they sting people or animals trying to disturb their hive. Okay, so they sting, matlab they bite people or animals who disturb their hive. Okay, we have seen when we go near the hive, what do? They might sting or bite us, okay, in order to protect their hive. Got it, children? Yes. Therefore, beekeepers are very careful about their safety, okay. This beekeeper, okay, those who are looking after the bee, they are very careful, okay, about their safety. Got it? So children, honey extraction are again of two types. Okay, those are traditional method and modern method. Okay, first here we will see about traditional methods of extraction. Okay, let's read this. In the traditional method of honey extraction, people cover their faces and bodies to protect themselves from the bee stings. The most common methods of collecting honey is to make the bees leave the hive. Okay, a fire is made under the tree on which the beehive hangs. Honeybees leave their hives because of the heat and honey is collected. So what happened? What do people do in traditional methods of extraction? Yes, they cover their faces and their bodies, okay, to protect themselves from the bee stings. If they don't cover their bodies or their face, the bees might sting them or bite them. Yes or no? Yes. So they cover their whole faces and their body. Got it? So here you see the most common method of collecting honey is to make the bees leave the hive. So what is the common one? Yes, they make the bees leave the hive, okay, for collecting the honey. Got it, children? This is the most common method, okay. It is to make the bees leave the hive, okay. So here you see a fire is made under the tree on which the beehive hangs. Okay, so a fire is made under the tree or under the beehive. Okay, so they made a fire under the tree which the beehive hangs. So you see this one is a beehive. Okay, it's a hanging on a tree. Yes or no? Yes. So they used to put some fire. Okay, they used to put some fire and make the bees fly away. Okay, leave their beehive. Got it, children? Yes. Honeybees leave their hives because of the heat. Fire have heat, yes or no? So these honeybees, they leave the hive because of the heat. And like this, these people collect the honey. Got it, children? Now children, we will see modern method of extraction, modern method of honey extraction. Okay, beekeepers use a bee box made of wood and bamboo. Okay, so what do these beekeepers do? They made a bee box. Okay, you see this is the box. It is made up of wood and bamboo. Okay, it has many frames of wood. Okay, you see here many frames. Okay, so with a plastic or wax mesh. Okay, so what is mesh here? Wax mesh here is a made of plastic rope. Okay, this wax mesh is a rope. Okay, made of plastic. Got it? Usually bees store honey in honeycombs or of beehives. So where do these bees store the honey? In a beehive, in a honeycombs of beehive. Okay. In a bee box, bees create honeycombs. Okay, so in the box where these beekeepers made, okay, wood and bamboo, yes, this honey, what do? They create honeycombs, okay, on the mesh in the frame, okay. In bee box, bees create honeycomb on the mesh in the frame, okay. So here you see where the bees has made the honeycomb, okay. Once honey is ready to be extracted, beekeepers wear a bee veil and gloves to protect themselves from the bee stings and use a smoker to blow smokes and make the bees leave. So once the honey is ready to collect or to extract, what do these beekeepers do? They wear a bee veil. You see this? Okay, something they put in their head. Yes, that is bee veil, and they used to put the gloves also. Here you see the gloves. Okay, to protect themselves from the bee stings. Okay, and they will use a smoker to blow smoke and make the honey leave. Also they use the smoker. Okay, those machine, they have such machine that smoke used to come up. Okay, so they used to blow smokes to the honeybees. Okay, so that they leave. Got it? The frames are taken out from the box and hung in pockets of a honey extractor and rotated. So these are taken out from the box, okay, and they used to hang it, okay, and they used to rotate it, okay. Honey separates from the comb and collected through a hole of the bottom of the extractor. Okay, so now honey separates from the comb. These honey are separated from the combs, okay, and is collected through a hole at the bottom of the extractor. So here they used to have some hole, okay, so from there these honey are collected, okay. So again I will read it for you. Honey separates from the comb, okay, and is collected through a hole at the bottom of the extractor. So this has a hole, okay, so they separate the honey from the comb, okay, they separate the honey from the comb, and like this they collect the honey. Got it, children? Yes. So children, as usual, again I have put here questions for you, okay? That is, what are the methods of honey collection? We have just learned about this honey collection, yes or no, children? Yes, so you try to find it out, okay? So we'll stop here for today. Let's meet in the next video.